BL, that's the one?
Nobody.
We all get caught in our own sins.
Nobody.
Sometimes I have to remind myself that on my worst day, I live like somebody on their greatest. And so do you. Don't let your demons take you to hell. Introduce them to heaven.
Some niggas go to college. Some niggas go to jail.
You see it?
Make it into heaven. Ooh, some make it into hell.
I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care. The things we do just to make it through. Ooh, but nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. Who is just trying to live our lives.
Yeah, look, I got homies in the ground, skeleton and bones, and niggas doing life, they ain't never coming home. They said I wouldn't make it, I never see the throne, and my baby mama hate me, cause she said I did her wrong, cause I left to chase my dreams, get it any means. I said that I'd be back, she wasn't listening to me. That back and forth arguing was getting in between. I said fuck them other niggas, I go get it with my team. If we all grind, we all shine, fuck a part-time. I used to play the block early morning and dark time. Now it's G5 flights, fuck a part-time. It was hard times, nigga, now it's all time. Just take a look at my life, rapping brought me back to life. Cause I was in them streets, my heart was cold as a pack of ice. Every night we strapping like we was in Iraq to fight. Cause niggas getting murdered for a block that do a stack of knife. Whoa, I gotta make it home to my son. On them papers with a firm hold on his gun. Before I snitch, nigga, I burn him.